What does it take to capture a big picture? The ability to grab the viewer's attention. With the ability to bring hidden details to the forefront. True power knows no bounds. This is Redmi Note 10 Pro. Today I will show you the unboxing of Redmi Note 10 Pro. On the front of the box, you will see Redmi Note 10 image. And at the back, you will see specification related to display, camera, processor, and battery. So let's open the box. First, we have the lid. Inside it, we get SIM ejector tool, some documentation like user guide related to the phone, and silicone case, which is a good addition from a company. After this, we have Redmi Note 10 Pro. This phone has punch hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And at the back of the phone, we have 64 megapixel quad camera setup with Redmi branding at the bottom top left. Now we have USB Type-C cable for phone charging and transferring data. And last but not least, we have 33-watt charger for fast charging. This is all we have in the box. The smartphone offers 6.67 inches Super AMOLED punch hole display on the middle of the phone. This phone has a pixel density of 395 ppi and refresh rate of 120 Hz. Redmi Note 10 Pro has a bezel-less punch hole display with Gorilla Glass 5 protection. On the right side, you will find the volume rockers and a power button. The power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, phone has a SIM tray. On the top of the phone, there is a secondary microphone, IR blaster, speaker grill, and a 3.5 headphone jack. The bottom of the phone features USB Type-C port and a speaker grill. Redmi Note 10 Pro comes with quad camera setup with Redmi branding at the bottom of the phone. Redmi Note 10 Pro has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G chipset with 8nm fabrication process with Adreno 618 GPU. The fingerprint sensor is mounted on the side and performs well. On the performance front, the phone is an absolute game changer. Snapdragon 732G processor with Chiral 470 octa-core, which delivers up to 2.3 GHz clock speed. Redmi Note 10 Pro comes with a new beautiful look. And it's available in following colors: vintage bronze, dark night, glacial blue. The phone is beautiful and has a frosted back. With 8.1 millimeters, the phone is thin and its weight is about 192 grams. For multitasking, you will get 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. Redmi Note 10 Pro offers a 50-20 mAh battery powered by 33-watt fast charging brick facility. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Redmi Note 10 Pro on the rear packs a quad camera setup featuring a 64 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 5 megapixel macro camera, a 2 megapixel depth camera. The phone offers 16 megapixel front camera for selfies. The software version of Redmi Note 10 Pro is Android 11 with MIUI 12. We hope you enjoyed today's show. Like the video, press the bell icon for upcoming video notifications, and enjoy next video of ours.